In this video guys, I will show you step by step how we made $7,210 in commission just in one single month by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from YouTube. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube, how I create content to promote my affiliate links on YouTube, how I find people who will be interested to buy those services or products from my affiliate links on YouTube, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new methods that I will share with you for free. And let's get started. So I made this commission in the month of May. From the first day of May until the last day of May, I made $7,210. This is my affiliate account dashboard. Okay, it's not screenshots. I can click over here. This is dashboard, marketing tools. I can scroll down, payments, reports, post back, sub affiliates, and as you can see, okay. So anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing on YouTube, step number one, go to Google. Okay, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So all you have to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down and go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission. So all you have to do is you just need to click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your language and choose your country. Okay, and choose your language. Okay, it's super easy. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. How you can find good services? Go to your YouTube homepage. Open your YouTube homepage like this. Okay, it's super easy. You just open your YouTube homepage and click over here. Click on the search and ask questions. So for example, you will ask how to rank. So for example, how to rank your YouTube video, and here you go. People are searching for those topics. YouTube will give you, this is a report search prediction. This is what people are searching for right now on YouTube. Okay, people are searching for how to rank your YouTube video in search in 2024. How to rank your YouTube video, how to rank your YouTube video how to rank your video YouTube first page, how to rank my YouTube video on Google, how to check rank on YouTube video. Okay, those people who are searching for this topic, they will be interested to buy this service. Let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, click on the search for YouTube SEO, search for YouTube SEO. Okay, like this. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like top rated seller, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they have a lot of reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. I will click on his service and he has a lot of reviews. As you can see, 3,000 reviews, 25 orders in queue. Okay, which people are buying this service? So of course, those people who are using YouTube, those people who have YouTube channels, those people who are searching for how to rank your YouTube video in search. Those people want to get more views and rank their YouTube videos on search. Okay, so those people will be interested to buy this service. They are already buying this service. Yet, of course, I agree with you guys. Not all those people will be interested but most of them will be interested to buy this service because, as you can see, it's already working. This seller has 3,000 reviews. Do you see how many people paid for this service? Do you see how many orders in queue? So what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliates account, click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. But before we do that, we need to create a YouTube video that we will use to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So how we can create a YouTube video to promote this affiliate link? Go back to this seller profile page, click over here, click on his picture. So you will create slideshow video. You will screen recording the feedback of this seller, of his customers. Okay, you will record the feedback of his customers that's already paid for this service. Okay, so turn your screen recording on your laptop and start and keep clicking here. Okay, so the video should be like this. Okay, like this. This is the feedback of his customers. They are satisfied, they are happy, as you can see. Great work, communication was top notch, will use again. They are all satisfied, one time and exactly what I wanted. Those people are satisfied. Okay, everything about this gig was above all our expectation. That's really amazing. Great work, fantastic service, great, love his work. Okay, you will screen record the feedback of his customers. After you finish, guys, go to Google. Okay, search for Canva like this. Search for Canva, super easy. Let me show you. Like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and you will be directly in this page. All you have to do is you need to click on upload. Click on upload file and upload the video that you recorded on Fiverr. Okay, so I already uploaded this video here that I made. And you are making your own videos, so don't worry about any copyright issue on YouTube. People who are asking me will get copyright. No, you are making your own videos. No one will you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, you are making your own videos. So click on your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background. Your video should be like this. Okay, let's check. Do you see the video? It's looking really good. Those people are already paid for this service, and this is the feedback of those people, and they are satisfied. So people who will watch your video on YouTube, they will see the reviews of those people. A lot of people are satisfied. Then those people will give it a try and they will buy this service from you. Okay, so here is what you will do next. You will click on text, scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. So just click on the text style that you want to use, and they will delete the second one, and they will decrease the font size of this text, and they will put this text here. Double click and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, like this. And they will make it like this. It's super easy. Put this text here, go to elements, scroll down, okay, and scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to shapes and choose this one. Click on color, choose black color, and put this shape behind your text like this. And here you go. Okay, so people who will watch your video, they will see this: check link in my description. and we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description, and that's it. After you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, open a YouTube channel, it's for free, and it's gonna take just 1 minute to create a YouTube channel. You just need to use your email address, and that's it. After you finish, upload this video to your YouTube channel and use this title: how to rank your YouTube video in search in 2024, or just how to rank your YouTube video in search. Okay, just like this. And go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. But for you, with new updates, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. That's how we can start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube. That's how we can create content, your own content that you can use to promote your affiliate links on YouTube. And YouTube, guys, really has a lot of traffic. YouTube has 32 billion monthly visitors. You guys really can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly and if you stay consistent. Okay, millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, specific topics, specific products on YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number 1, YouTube is number 2. Okay, so this is really interesting, and it's really working, guys. But if you stay consistent, if you guarantee to me that you will stay consistent, you will create a lot of content for your affiliate links. I can guarantee to you that you will earn commission just in few weeks. Okay, but if you will just give this business a try for 1 week or 1 month, just don't, please, just don't. Okay, because it doesn't work like this. If it work like this, then everybody will do it. Okay, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Go check my YouTube channel, guys. I share with you how we can promote your affiliate links on Facebook, on Pinterest, on Instagram, and so much more, Twitter, Quora, and so much more. See you in my next videos.